In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list in LibreOffice Writer. Whether you're new to LibreOffice or just need a little refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure you can easily make bulleted or numbered lists for any of your documents. First, let's begin by opening LibreOffice Writer. Locate the LibreOffice icon on your computer's desktop or search for it in your Applications folder if it's not already pinned. Go ahead and double-click on that icon. Once LibreOffice launches, you'll see the Start Center. Here, you're offered several options, but today our focus is on the Writer document. Select Writer Document, which should bring you to a new blank page. This will be the canvas where you'll create your list. Now that you have your blank document open, it's time to type out your list items. Click anywhere on the blank page to activate your cursor and start typing your items, for instance, apple, which will be the first item. After typing apple, hit the Enter key on your keyboard to move to the next line, where you can type banana. Repeat this process for each item you wish to add to your list: mango, orange, and so on. Remember, pressing Enter after each item ensures that each word or phrase appears on a new line in your document. Once you've typed out your list items, the next step is to transform this text into either a bulleted or numbered list. Begin by highlighting the items you've just typed. You can do this by clicking at the start of your text and dragging your mouse down to the end of the list. Now that your text is selected, take a look at the Formatting toolbar, which is located just below the top menu of LibreOffice Writer. You'll see several icons that offer various formatting options. For creating lists, you'll want to focus on these specific icons: one for a bulleted list, which looks like a solid circle or bullet, and another that resembles a series of numbers for a numbered list. Click on the icon that best matches your desired list style, whether you prefer bullets or numbers. Immediately upon clicking, your list will transform, presenting each item either as a bullet or as part of a numbered sequence. Finally, let's talk about adding additional items to your list. After your last listed item, simply press Enter. You'll notice that a new bullet or number appears automatically, ready for you to type in the next item. This auto-formatting makes it incredibly easy to expand your list as needed. By following these steps, you've successfully created a list in LibreOffice Writer. With a little practice, creating organized and visually appealing lists in your documents will become second nature. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.